Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today we will be doing an unboxing of the February Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you want to see exactly what I got in this month's box, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back. For those who do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. They have 3 different boxes. For $25, you will get the Boxycharm base box, and in that base box, you will get anywhere from 4 to 5 full-size products. And then we have the Boxy Premium box, where you will get anywhere from 6 to 7. And then we also have the Luxe box, and that box is $49.99 every 3 months, and you will get anywhere from 9 to 10 beauty products. So let's go ahead on with the unboxing. And this is the box. Like I said, this is the premium box, and this is $35 a month. Okay, and as we know, the premium box has the blue, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And on the card, it does have a card, and it tells you a theme, and the theme is Adore, and you can see Boxycharm Adore as if it's the Valentine love situation for this box. Okay, I have variation number 23, and all this card does is tell you what's inside this box and the price. Okay, the first product I see is 24K Gold 4 Moisturizer. And this is a 50-gram box. Let's see what it looks like. It's beautiful. Here you go. Let me see. Has this on it? Oh, it comes off. Okay. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it has a nice smell to it. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's see what it says about this. It says, let me find it. The 24K Gold 4 Moisturizing Cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. And this retails for $100. Yes, ladies. This is $100. This one product is $100. Now, this already paid for the box. The box is $35. This one product is $100. Okay, ladies or gentlemen. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And that's what this looks like. Let me open this up. And this is what this looks like. Okay, let me see. Take the top off. Let me spray. Smells good, y'all. And this is what it looks like. And it says, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. Immerses skin into a hydrating mist, so ultrafine and delicate. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAS to refresh skin and enhance makeup. This retails for $28. Okay, $28. The next thing I see in the box is Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And this is in the color Diffuse Heat. Hourglass packaging. And this is what it looks like. Let me see, can I swatch it? Might not can see it. That's it right there, like this. And it says Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customizing lighting effect of ambient lighting power. And this retails for $40. $40. This is more than a box. Okay, the next thing I see is Tarte. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up and see what it is. And this is what it looks like. And it says Double Duty Beauty. And this is a base tape primer. This is hydrating primer. Okay, let's check this out. Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Okay, turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. And this retails for $30, y'all. The next thing I see in the box is Korres. This is a Korres body butter. That's what this looks like. And this says Korres body butter. This rich and luxury body butter deeply softens, smoothens, and neutralizes the skin. This retails for $32. $32, y'all. Okay, there's 5 products. And this last product, which is the 6th product, is from Sutra Beauty. And this is a flat iron. Okay, you had a pick between the flat iron palette, and I got so many palettes. And my grandbaby, she always bugging me about my flat iron, so I decided to get this flat iron so she can have one. And this is what it looks like. A beautiful flat iron. Yep. And this flat iron, it retails for $79.99. Now, what can we say? We already done exceed the price of the box. Just this hot iron, $79, and you ain't paying but $35. And then you get what you get? This blush, $40, and you ain't paying but $35 for the box. And then you got this 24K, and this is $100. You ain't paying but $35. And then you get the Tarte is $30. You got the Korres is $32. And you get the Glow Recipe is $28. Now, what can I say? Let's see what the total for this box was. Okay. Now, the total for this month's premium box was $309.99. Now, where can you beat that at? You get 2, 4, 5. Okay. Where can you beat that at? You get 6 beauty products for $35, but the box is really $309. Now, where can you beat that at? $310 worth of products for $35. You can't beat that. You can't get that nowhere. I will leave all the information in the bottom section of this video. I will leave a link in the bottom description section of this video. And you go check it out and you decide if Boxycharm is something you would like to invest in. For me, it is. It is really worth it. Every now and then, I get things in it that I don't want, but this box was the bomb. I really do like this box. I mean, this was a good box. Other than that, please comment in the bottom section of this video if you have Boxycharm or if you are planning on subscribing to Boxycharm. And let me know what was in your box for February. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.